Welcome to the Hannover Messe exhibition. The exhibition will be held from April 22nd to 26, 2024. It is a world-leading industrial technology exhibition that attracts political and business leaders from all over the world every year. Of course, as an excellent manufacturer of 3D devices, Goofoo Technology also has an important opportunity to showcase its international reputation. Goofoo Technology booth is located at Hannover Messe 6 to 9. The 3D printers exhibited this time include consumer-grade products, cube and tiny plus small machines targeting beginners and the education industry, and Turbo M with high-speed printing capable of reaching 500 mm per second. Gemini a double extrusion system. At the same time, desktop-level celebrity products Plus and Meta are also exhibited. In response to market demand, Goofoo Technology has launched the laser engraver and cutter TS3. More exciting presentations welcome you to visit our booth.